I get emails and messages from you guys all over the place wanting to know if I'm using any different deep conditioners. If you've been watching my channel, you will know that I've already done a video like this. I'll link it so that you guys can watch it if you like. I don't change up my hair routine too much, which makes discovering new products kind of hard. But I really feel that the key to healthy growth is sticking with things that really work for you, and that's basically what I've done here. So I'm just going to give a recap of the products that I really like and use on a regular basis, including a leave-in conditioner that was sent to me that I've fallen in love with. This is not a sponsored video. I truly love it. It's really great. Anyways, let's get on with this. One of my favorite deep conditioners of all time, it's the one that I've been using pretty much the longest, is the Repair Rescue by Schwarzkopf. It's the one with the red top. They make a bunch of them. One with the red top is the one that I use all of the time. So the full name is Schwarzkopf Professional BC Bonicure Hair Therapy Cell Perfector Repair Rescue Deep Nourishing Treatment. Oh, these names! Anyways, I really like this because it makes my hair so soft and so shiny. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. For instance, no hair breakage, no hair dullness or anything like that. I've been using this probably around 5, 6, 7 years now, but I absolutely love it. It's $24.99 here in Canada, so it's less in the States, but it is so thick and so rich, and my hair feels wonderful both when I'm applying it, after I've rinsed it out, and after I've dried and done my hair. It's really stellar. So I apply this to my hair, leave it on anywhere from half an hour to an hour. I will usually wrap my hair in plastic or put like a plastic shower cap on just to trap the heat and speed up that conditioning a bit more. And then I rinse it out, air dry my hair. I will flat iron it or throw it up in a bun, and it feels great. This one that I showed you briefly, this was sent to me by Schwarzkopf. It's a treatment for mature and fragile hair. I had run out of this one, so I thought, hey, what the hell, let's give this a whirl. It is excellent also. So full name is Schwarzkopf BC Bonicure Q10 Plus Time Restore Treatment for Mature and Fragile Hair, and it's really good. Works exactly the same as the one with the red top. So the next two that I'll feature are really great conditioners at budget prices. The next two work almost as well and are under $10. So this one is Garnier's Whole Blends Legendary Olive Conditioner, and I really like it. It's super thick. It smells really nice. I think it's about $5, $6, and it's a really nice detangler. So I will put this on in the shower. This is not a deep conditioner, it's just a straight up conditioner. I will squeeze out the excess water and take like a microfiber towel and just get it sort of like not soaking wet. I'll take out that excess moisture, and I will add the conditioner to my hair and again let it sit for half an hour, rinse it out, and my hair feels incredible. It's again a great detangler. It is really superb for the money you pay. It's, like I said, only about $6. Garnier hit it out of the park with this one. I use a lot of products by Shea Moisture, but this line is probably my favorite. This is the Manuka Honey and Mifrira Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner with fig and baobab oil. Anyways, again, it smells really nice. It's a little thinner than the others that I've shown you here, but works just as well. Leaves your hair really silky and shiny. And something I wanted to mention, there's a lot of deep conditioners and conditioners out there that are really heavy and claim to be really conditioning. They leave your hair looking greasy and tacky and dull. These ones don't do that. They leave your hair shiny yet hydrated and moisturized. This one again is a really solid detangler. I really like it. It's about, for us Canadians, I think it's about $12.99, $13.99. It's not very expensive. All of these conditioners leave my hair really shiny also. I'm all about boosting that shine. I feel shiny hair obviously looks really healthy and wonderful. and this line is great for that. It's a beautiful conditioner. And the last one that I'm featuring is one that I have told you guys about time and time again. It's Joico's Moisture Recovery Conditioner. I love this. Of all the conditioners I've ever tried in my whole life, this is the best detangler by far. You add this to your wet hair in the shower or the bath, and the comb will just glide right through your hair. It's fantastic. It has a really nice light fruity scent too. Again, leaves your hair really, really nice and shiny, and most importantly, hydrated and moisturized. I gained the most length and my hair was the most repaired after I used this on a regular basis. It is absolutely my favorite. It will always, always have a place in my shower. So I always buy the 1 liter bottle because I blast through conditioners. I have a lot of hair, and I always, always make sure that my hair is detangled before I get out of the shower. So this is a great value. I get a really good price. It's $16.99 for the 1 liter bottle. Honestly, it's so good. I would probably pay whatever for it. I really, really like this one. It's rock solid. It is my #1 recommendation. When I want to deep condition my hair using this one, I'll add a healthy amount to a bowl, and I'll add some natural oils to it, like Haitian black castor oil. I will heat it up a little and then apply it to my towel dried hair. Sit around for about an hour, again with my head wrapped in plastic to heat it up and to speed up that deep conditioning, and my hair will look and feel like silk afterwards. I rinse out the conditioner, air dry, do my whole hair routine, and yeah, fantastic. I really credit the health of my hair to this particular product. I love it. So last but not least was that leave-in conditioner I was telling you about. So Design Me Hair sent this to me. It's called Fab Me, the mother of all hair treatments multi-benefit lotion. So as you can see, this is thick and rich, and it just does such a great job at detangling my hair. So after I've shampooed and conditioned and just squeeze the excess moisture out of my hair, I will spray this all over my hair, and it detangles beautifully. It leaves my hair really soft and lovely, and it just offers up that extra layer of deep conditioning that can be nothing but beneficial. I love this product. I would recommend anybody who's suffering from hair breakage, hair dullness, anything like that, to get yourself a bottle of this. It's really fantastic. Over the summer, I was abusing my hair and I was using a lot of heat tools, so on and so forth, and I started using this. I started really caring for my hair, and this really, really helped to get my hair back on track. I love this product. For those of you who do like heat tools to smooth out your hair, this will allow for a really smooth look also. If you're using this to do really slick hairdos like buns or something like that, this product is for you. Again, they did such a great job with this hair treatment. I also love using this product after I've worked out. I'll just wash my hair and condition it, and I will spray a healthy amount of this all over my hair, add a little hair moisturizer to my ends, and I'll whip it up in a bun, and my hair is gleaming. It's so shiny and so smooth. This stuff, get it. So I hope you found this update helpful. These are the conditioners and deep conditioners that I would recommend to anybody who is looking to boost the health of their hair, repair damaged hair, or just keep healthy hair healthy. They're really, really fantastic, solid products. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, check me out on Instagram. I'm at dominique.baker. I would love for you guys to follow along. Check out my stories too. You will see all of the happenings of my daily life in my Instagram stories. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I am so close to 10,000 subscribers, so thank you, thank you, thank you, all of you, for subscribing and watching my videos, and keep the messages coming. I love them. All right, bye for now, guys.